right, it's yours? Nice. What year is it? 72. 72? Very nice. Where'd you get this?
I found this in a farmer's field in Milton, Ontario.
Oh, it's a barn find?
Yeah.
It's one of those?
Yeah.
That's cool.
A piece of junk.
Was it?
I mean, I'm telling you, it's a piece of junk.
Looks like so it's, what'd you do to it?
It took us 2.5 years to build this car.
Oh, really? Oh, that's cool. Can you show me around here? Yeah. 2.5 years. Numbers matching kind of thing? No? Yeah, okay.
No, because the motor was, like, the motor that was in it when we found the car.
Yeah.
It was, it's a 360.
Yeah.
So we basically worked with that motor.
It's you worked with that, eh?
Yeah.
Okay, gotcha.
And it's full roller.
Yeah.
It's basically fully done.
Yeah.
It's about 450 horsepower.
That's not bad.
Yeah.
You take it to the track or just shows?
No, I just drive it.
Just drive it?
I just drive it.
That's not bad. Yeah.
I mean, I drove it, like, I wasn't even supposed to be accepted to this show.
Really?
I put my application in, he didn't take me.
Yeah.
He calls me yesterday at 9 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah.
Can you bring your car in?
Oh, really? Yeah, your car was just over there near the...
Yeah.
That's
by
cool.
the door.
Yeah.
And we couldn't move it in here because there was just too many people in there.
Yeah, that's fair,
So I had to wait till 8 o'clock last night to move it over.
So what are you going to do in the future? Like, what's your...
I've got another car. I've got a 1973 Barracuda.
Yeah.
And that was my original car. I bought that car brand new.
Oh, really?
Back in 72.
Yeah.
Right? And then...
so you still have it?
well, the funny thing about it is...
Yeah.
I had babies, right? Mary got babies. So the wife says one of the babies had to go.
Yeah.
So I had to get rid of the car. Couldn't send a kid back, so I had to cancel the car.
Yeah.
I sold it 37 years ago. I sold that.
You sold it, yeah.
And I got it back 2.5 years ago.
Really?
And I bought it, and I had to rebuild it all.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Because it wasn't my standard.
Yeah.
So I basically redid it all.
That's a high standard.
So I turned around. Yeah, exactly, right? So we redid it all.
Yeah.
And I had it here last year.
Oh, okay.
It's a blue one, right?
Yeah.
I had it here, but like I said again, he only accepted the one car this year. So
really. So let's see this. Let's see this engine. It's pretty nice, eh? We're just live right now too, as well. So, so that's a clean block. So that's you said it was the original 360.
That was the original engine that was in the car.
Yeah.
But it was like garbage. I mean, it's something you would find in a scrapyard.
Yeah.
And we basically took it out, took it all apart.
Yeah.
Cleaned it up, painted it. Did change the heads on it.
Yeah.
Put a cam in it.
Yeah.
It's got full roller.
Really?
It's basically done.
That's nice. Very cool.
Fuel injection.
Are you doing anything else to it? That's it?
No, that's pretty well it.
It's pretty much it, eh?
Yeah. The only thing, if I was going to do anything else to it, I would probably do the rack and pinion.
Yeah.
Because these old cars, when you're driving it, like, you're driving like this all the time, right?
Yeah. So it's that's not electric steering. It's the old.
Yeah. It's power steering.
Yeah. Very cool. That's awesome. Oh, you got LED lights too, eh? Yeah. They probably pull less power.
Yeah?
They pull less power, those LEDs.
Yeah, they do.
And they're brighter, yeah.
And they're a lot brighter, right?
Yeah. What kind of transmission you got in there?
It's a 727.
727?
And I've got 391 gears in the back.
Nice, yeah.
Which are crazy driving on the highway.
Yeah.
It's an automatic, right? So I don't have that extra gear to bring it.
So you're singing on the highway.
Oh yeah.
That's not bad though.
But it's all right. Like I said, you're not driving that far anyways, right?
Yeah.
So I don't mind it.
Yeah.
If I was driving a long distance, no, I wouldn't.
So what shows are you doing this year?
I usually do, like I said, I like doing this show.
Yeah.
My thing is I like talking to people. That's my idea, right?
Yeah.
But we usually do like the outdoor shows. We're from Scarborough, right?
Yeah.
So I usually do the one at McCowan and 401.
Yeah.
Where Princess Auto is there.
Oh, right. Yeah. Okay.
That's on Tuesday nights.
Yeah.
And then if I do another one, I'll do it on a Saturday at Salem and Highway 2 at the
Very cool.
Yeah, that one there. Other than that, it's the only two I really go with.
Okay, so you're not going to take it to the track at all?
No.
Okay.
My kids always want me to, right?
Yeah.
I don't want to.
No, that's fair. Keeps it.
This was basically all done at home, eh?
Yeah.
The only thing that I had to send out to get it painted.
Yeah.
Other than that, it was all done at home.
Oh, you got it painted, yeah? Okay, cool. Very nice. Original wheels?
No, it's got Foose wheels on it.
Foose wheels?
Yeah.
And a Flowtech exhaust, eh? Very cool. Thank you for your time. Appreciate it, eh?
Yeah.
I'll be around. It'll be on this channel as well.
Is that where I find it?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
You'll be here for the whole, tomorrow too?
Weekend, yeah.
Okay, I'll catch you later then.
Okay.
All right, thank you.
Take care.
My man.